Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this cute fridge magnet for Christmas. It's a snowman, and we will use a piece of white paper, a piece of black paper for the hat, a snowflake, and then we will use a circle punch, the bigger one, and the small one for the eyes. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute fridge magnet. We will need 2 pieces of white paper. This is okay, first one, the second one, voila, and we will glue them together here in this way. Okay, you can glue them with some tacky glue, or if you have this kind of glue you can use the tape glue. Okay, here the body of our snowman. Now we will need to create the hat, and for the hat we will cut another circle. Okay, and then we will need to cut a little part of this circle. Voila. Now we will need to create this part, and we will cut something like this. Just a second. Okay, we need to refine this part. Okay, voila. If you want, you can cut later the excess. Okay, now we will need to glue our hat to our, voila, with our tacky glue, and here, voila, and then this part. Okay, voila. Okay, now we will cut this part because it's an excess. Okay, and then with a black pen we will create this part, the mouth. We will trace in this way. We will trace some little dots in black. Okay, now we will need to create the nose, and for the nose we will use a piece of orange paper. We will cut a sort of triangle in this way, and then we will glue our triangle here. Voila. Okay, now we will need to create the 2 eyes with this little circle punch. We will create 2 circles. Voila, our 2 circles, and then we will glue them to our snowman. Okay, Okay, and now the second one. Voila. Here. Okay, now we will need to glue. If you want this or something similar, I bought this in a shop, in a €1 shop here in Italy. They sell the snowflakes already cut. Voila, and then we will need to glue our magnet, and here our magnet. Voila, with some glue we will glue the magnet, leave it to dry, and then we will have this super cute and funny fridge magnet in the form of a snowman. Yeah, I need only to refine this part because there are some little part of glue. Okay, and here the finished project. Here our magnet. Voila. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.